Have you ever set a goal, knew exactly what to do, but you still didn't do it? That's not laziness, that's a broken system. Let me show you how to fix it so you can finally stay consistent and get your life back on track. I used to think that I was lazy, that I lacked discipline, that I needed more motivation, but the truth is, it wasn't me. It was the way I had my environment set up. My inputs, my systems, my energy. When I changed those, everything started shifting. Step one, control your inputs. Let's say there's a guy who wants to lose 10 pounds this year. Let's say in scenario one, his kitchen is full of junk food. There's chips on the counter, soda in the fridge, candy in the pantry. Every day is a war of willpower, and eventually he will lose. And it's because his environment is pulling him away from his goal. And now let's imagine scenario two. It's the same guy, but now his fridge is filled with these clean, whole food. No junk, no fast food, no soda. Now his environment is pushing him forward, and you can imagine how much easier it's going to be to hit his goal. It's the same with your goals. When I got serious about being more productive, I've turned off all the notifications on my phone. No dings, no distractions. My phone went from being a distraction to becoming a tool. I even took my video game console out of my room because it was too easy to get distracted. It's these small changes in your environment that have a huge impact because your environment either fuels your consistency or kills it. Step two, you need to track your actions. I stopped winging it and I built a habit tracker. It was nothing fancy, just a checklist. Did I do the thing? Yes or no? And that one system changed everything. It wasn't about motivation anymore. It was about execution. Here's the mistake most people make. They try to hold it all in their heads. 10 priorities, 10 goals, 0 clarity. Your brain isn't built for that. Write it down, track it daily, build proof that you're showing up in the system. If you're trying to get in shape, track whether or not you've done your workout. If you're trying to study, track your sessions. If you're trying to build a business, track your daily actions. When I'm doing this, I like to keep it as simple as possible. Step 3 is you need to front load your day. Do the hard work first. For me, the first thing I do in the morning before I check my messages or go on social media is I record videos like this. Here's what most guys don't realize. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you chip away at your identity. And once you stop believing in yourself, it becomes hard to even try. That's when guys spiral into self-doubt, procrastination, and nihilism. But when you start tracking your wins, when you protect your focus, you stop trying to become disciplined. You are disciplined. If you're tired of being stuck and want help building your system, DM me on Discord. I'm offering free coaching calls to guys who are serious about making change. Let's get you locked in. Remember, if you want your life to change for the better, it starts with you.